Thank you for joining this lesson. Maranda High School Mock 2022 examination, Mathematics Paper 2. We continue with this paper and we are going to consider number 2 of the paper, a question from geometric progressions and series. The first term of a GP, geometric progression, is 5. The common ratio of the GP is 4. The product of the last two terms of the GP is 25,600. Determine the number of terms in the GP. Therefore, we got a GP which has a certain number of terms which is not known. So if we let the number of terms to be n, then there is a number just before the last one, because this will be the last number. So we can say that the second last then will be n minus 1, because it is the number in the position just before the last one. Then we can say, because nth term has a general formula, a r raised to n minus 1, then we can say the last term is going to have the formula a r raised to n minus 1. Then the second last, because we want the two last terms, so the second last is a r n minus 1, but n now is already n minus 1, so it will end up being n minus 2 as the second last term. So we are told now, when we take the last and the second last, or rather the two last terms, their product will be 25,600. So here we can talk of the GP having a first term of 5. So A is 5. So this one can be narrowed down to 5. And R is 4. Then times 4 raised to n minus 1. And the other one is 5 times 4 raised to n minus 2. The product of these two now. The product of 5 times 4 raised to n minus 1 multiplied by 5 times 4 n minus 1, we're supposed to get 25,600. Supposed to get 25,600. So here we can have 25. Then now using indices, because this is 4 power n minus 2 and this is also 4, we can just pick 1 4, then we add the indices since they are connected by a multiplication, such that we have 2n minus 4. Remember the second one has to be minus 2, sorry. So it is 2n minus 3. 2n minus 3 when we combine the indices. Yeah, 2n minus 3. This is equal to 25,600. We can now divide through by 5. 25, that is 25,600 out of 25. This will give us 1024. Therefore, we have 4 raised to 2n minus 3 equals to 1024. So we can express now the two sides in their simplest basis, where this will be 2 squared, and now the 2 will have to open everything in the power, such that this becomes 4n minus 6, yeah, equals to, when we take 2 and we raise it to power 10, 2 raised to power 10, we usually get 1024. Therefore, now that the bases are the same, we can equate the indices. 4n minus 6 equals to 10, and 4n is going to be 16, making n to be 4. The number of terms were 4.